Hey there, I'm MOHAMMAD SHAAD, and in this video we will be talking about specifically MS Afterburner software, because we all at some point want to play games, and if we own a PC, then surely we want some data to compete with our friends, like your frame rate, your temperatures, your fan speed, your optimization level, and so on and so forth. And then there are times when you want optimized gameplay, and then as your graphic card ages, you want it to survive and play as many games as you can possibly while reducing your graphic quality. MSI Afterburner is actually a free software. Many of you have known about it. If you don't, then it is a simple, easy, free to use overclocking tool for your graphic card, and for actually every graphic card, not for only MSI. Actually every graphic card can be overclocked on it. On some instant you can collect data statistics of about how your machine is performing, how well optimized it is, or how aged it is it still worth, does it worth to upgrade it, or is there any room remained to extract more of its juice to power your game which you are currently running. So all you have to get your benchmarking results, like you see in multiple YouTube videos, that on top left corner of your monitor or game window you will be seeing multiple data of your game, like frequency, memory, fan speed, temperatures, CPU usage, GPU usage, power drawn, frame rates, and multiple things. Whatever you want, you will be seeing on that. How will you bring them up? Simply go to MS Afterburner, turn it on, then go to settings, MS Afterburner properties. You will see journal fan monitoring. We have to go in monitoring, and you will see this portion. You see there will be, I have actually set it up for me. I will be explaining you, don't worry. There will be, as you can see, FP usage don't have this tick mark like GPU temperature has. And now if you want FP usage to be shown on your on-screen display for telemetry, for getting your benchmark data, then all you have to do is click, it will be selected, then click the icon like this, then select this FP usage row, and in and now down here in graph columns you have to tick on this box which says show in on-screen display. Here you have three options: text, graph, and text and graph. Simply choosing text or graph, I think it is much better than using both, because it will consume your whole of your screen. For example, text will be shown around in this much area, and graph will take all the area from here. The more graph you add, the more bulk screen you will be acquiring, which is showing your data. Your game experience will be ruined if you just want to use in your games to see how much frames you are getting. Now I don't want it, so I simply remove it from, see, when you click here you will see in properties in on-screen display, means if it is selected and here it is written in on-screen display, means it will be shown up here. I will be showing you one example, don't worry, in Red Dead Redemption 2. So I don't want FP usage, I take it out, I unticked it, I unticked it. I want GPU usage, GPU temperature, see what I have chosen. GPU temperature, click, select, come here, select on screen display, select to text, and same goes for all you want. I don't want bus usage, but it is by default selected, so I am not touching it. I want memory usage in on screen display, yes. In text format, yes. See all the one. I want code. I want core clocks, yes. On screen display in text format, yes. Power, no. Fan speed, yes. Fan tachometer, yes. It shows RPM. Then I want CPU temperature, overall temperature. It will show overall temperature, not the core wise temperature. CPU usage 1 2 3 4. CPU usage clock, CPU clock 1 2 3 4, because I'm using i3 8100, so now you know why 4. RAM usage, yes. Frame rate, yes. And see, I'm using frame with graph because it not only it shows text, and in graph you can see where your frame dips and exceeds. peaks. When you have selected like this, see, it will be first like this. You need frame rate, come here, click, select the frame rate, take in the on screen display, select the graph, hit apply, hit OK. Then you go back, select the setting button, go in on screen display. Here you see toggle, it will be like empty. This everything will be none. All you need to do is make your own key combinations. Mine are this. Whenever I click Alt Control V, I will be seeing on screen display. Whenever I click on Control Alt N, I will be removing on screen display, and wherever I will click B, it will be applying. I have to click simply apply, then OK. All I need to do is close the MS Afterburner. Now the time of Red Dead Redemption 2. 3, 2, 1, initiate. Sorry, just a second. Here you see Control Alt N, removing it. Control Alt V, bringing it back. Control Alt B, removing it. Sorry, Control Alt N दबाया था मैंने. Control Alt P. Oh my God, this is too loud. This is too loud. This is too loud. See, I am using CPU usage here in percentage, CPU frequency here in numbers, memory usage, memory frequency, GPU temperature, GPU usage, GPU frequency, GPU. What is this? I don't remember it. Just give me 1 second. Going back to MSI monitoring, GPU usage, yes, memory clock, core clock, university. What percentage is it? RPM fan का हो गया. Okay, fan का ही. That's fan percent. Sorry, that was fan's percentage. Fan speed in percentage. That was fan speed in percentage. What is happening to my सस्ती वाली English? Here, CPU at 42 degrees Celsius, CPU at 5% usage. It will be used when I go in game, like you can see peaks in. If you are able to see, let me show you. You see my mouse is not going up somehow. At what the bottom line you will see frame Vulkan is my API. The next you will see frames, and here is graph. If you include graph in multiple data point, then this will be getting until the bottom of your screen, capturing whole of your screen. I personally like it on top, and it shows the fluctuation in my frames. I like it that way. This is how you benchmark your games by using MSI Afterburner without paying any additional dollar, except if you are purchasing this game.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
And thank you for that.
And he's smart.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you like it, sub if you love it. I'm MOHAMMAD.
Abigail.
This is
Arthur.
SHAAD Explained.
How you doing?